Hello, my name is Pablo. This is the third unit, the task number 4, the unleashing of artificial intelligence potential. This is the record for the audio for the third step. This is the explanations for my experience making the transcription for the podcast I found on YouTube. So basically, at first place, I just want to be honest with you. I was kind of lazy when I discovered that the podcast that was provided on the guide was not available or not was longer active for us in order to use it as an example. Mm, for that reason, I was asking to the tutor, Miss Munoz, on the on the forum what we can do in those cases. She replied to answering that we will need to look up a podcast by our own. For that reason, I found this podcast. This guy was asking to an specialist, Mr. Luciano Floridi, uh, some important information about the artificial intelligence ethics and more information regarding this topic. So, at first place, it was a long video, and for that reason, for me, it was a kind of mandatory to find a tool to help me, since it maybe to make a transcription in a faster way. So I look at first for the option to write manually the closed caption that YouTube offered, the YouTube platform, but that is going to take me a lot of time writing every single word and they making the necessary corrections. For that reason, following some recommendations on the third step, it looks like we were able to use tools, transcripting tools in order to, as a support to, in order to complete the task. For that reason, I was looking on the internet if maybe there is a kind of tool, but it looks like they were demanding to me to sign up on their website. I don't like to do any kind of that stuff because I don't like to provide my personal data to any website. For that reason, I start to thinking what I can do to resolve this concern, and I recall that Microsoft Word has a nice tool. When you are telling maybe the tool or the program what to write, and they are in the exactly same moment they are writing what you are saying. So I use my phone to to play the video there, the section I found more interesting, and then using my laptop mic, my laptop microphone, uh, I I place to the option on in order to record the audio, and automatically Word was writing for me all that information. I just need to I listened the audio or the video 2 or 3 times more just to make sure everything was okay, and I used Microsoft Word, yeah, auto correction feature in order to make sure the grammar was proper and everything was okay. So I'm not sure if this is an advantage or a disadvantage in the future for the students to maybe make the work or the job more simple, but I'm pretty sure that is really useful. If then we use the text we take from the audio and we place the text in a uh, artificial intelligence tool that it is able to process text, that it would be really useful maybe to understand better some videos. Basically, that was my experience. It was really simple, I consider. but it was a really, really interesting way to discover ways to make our jobs or our tasks. Thank you so much for hearing this audio, and I hope you have an awesome day.